Greetings, nice Daniels here. This is Android Studio on Ubuntu. I've already installed it using sudo snap install Android Studio, and it took some time for it to actually get all the components that it wants, and this is what it looks like. Just for purposes, this is an ancient HP laptop, 64-bit, 10 years old. Very slow, so we'll see how well it works. I'm just going to go with all of the standards, including IntelliJ, which I believe is now DreamJet or Jet Dreams or something like that. Anyway, IntelliJ, that's what I'm going to use. Next. I'm just going to take all of the standards, detecting blah, 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 accelerated performance mode, blah, 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 finish. And now it's going to download even more stuff. So depending on your speed of your computer and the speed of your connection, it might take some time. I know I waited a good chunk of time for this to load, but it does seem to be working so far. I'll come back to you after this has finished downloading.